Guys, so today I'm just going to do a tribal look. This is my afro in all its glory. So I started off by parting my hair so I could do a single plait. I can't really cornrow super neatly, which is why I just did a simple braid, and it's good enough to give me the desired outcome I wanted. If I wanted it to be longer, I could have added extensions, but I like the length that my hair is. Also, if you want your hair to be super neat, now is the time to add some gel or styling product. I didn't use any gel or styling product for this look because I wanted it to just look super natural and kinky. I'm parting my hair at the back, dividing it into two. And then tying it up with a simple black rubber band. I would have been a good time to add gel if I wanted a sleek look. Getting my hair, giving her kinky clip-ins and wrapping it around the bun. Remember, you can use the coupon code Tuke3 for $10 off. So I'm just wrapping the hair around itself to cover the tracks, and then I use bobby pins to secure it. Clip-ins make life as a natural so easy. Now I'm repeating the same steps at the back, but it's a bigger puff, so I'm using more clip-ins. If you want to see my other videos using giving hair clip-ins, I'll link them above. I've used them to rock a fluffy afro and a sleek updo. Now I could have actually made this into like a ball ponytail, but I just decided to wrap and tuck instead. And I'm securing with bobby pins like before. Yes, I like the length. Got my tribal beads. I bought these at Ebano in Lekki, but you can buy them online from Niger Naturals. I'm then using a tiny rubber band to just wrap the hair around the bead so it's secure. Ooh, spicy. So yeah, that's the look. It's really easy, really quick. Honestly, clip-ins are truly a game changer. I would link above to a hairstyle I did that's like really beautiful and classy, and I rocked it for an award night some months ago. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if there are any other hairstyles you would like me to recreate. And if you want to see what I did to my face after my hair, check out the video above. It's a collaboration video with Alade. We did a blue look and I made mine tribal. Yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, turn on notification bell, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.